Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a super easy vegetarian meal, cauliflower wings and barbecue cauliflower pizza. First I'm going to start by making the batter for the cauliflower wings. I'm using the seasonings of my choice. I have lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, poultry seasoning. You can use whatever seasonings you like. These are just the seasonings I like to use. And then once you have all your seasonings, you just want to go in with some milk to make it an actual batter. I use milk and mustard. I just added milk until it was the consistency I wanted it. I wanted it at like a pancake batter consistency, so I just added milk until I got that. Once the batter is made, I go in with breadcrumbs and more seasoning to actually make the cauliflower wings crispy. So you'll see me doing that here. And then here you'll see me separating the cauliflower that I want to use for my pizza. As you can see, I did not have enough. So I only had enough to make 2 pieces, so definitely use more. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and start making the cauliflower wings. I'm going to put the cauliflower in the batter, then put it into the breadcrumbs, and then put it into the air fryer. As you can see, I started by using the tongs, but it was taking way too long, so I just went in and started using my fingers. But this is a pretty simple step, so you just go through and do that. Once I'm done, I go ahead and stick them in the air fryer on 370 for 15 minutes, and then I start to make the pizza. I'm going to start by chopping up the onion into some slices. Once I'm finished with the onions, I just go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on the cauliflower. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I like to use Sweet Baby Ray's. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. So just put that in the bowl, mix it up until it's all fully coated. If you need to add more, just do whatever you like. Next, I take the pizza crust that I got from Aldi. This is my favorite pizza crust. It comes with a pack of 3. And then once I get these set out on my pan, I just take some olive oil and garlic and I just spread it on the bottom of the crust. Now the pizza crust that I use does come with its own pizza sauce, but I don't like to use it. I just like to use like marinara sauce that I would use to make spaghetti or something. And I just take that, spoon it out, and spread it evenly on the pizza crust. Once that's done, I just go in and add my pizza toppings. So I'm going to use cheese, obviously. I'm going to use spinach, add the onions, and then add the barbecue cauliflower. Once I add all the toppings, I just stick it in the oven for about 7 to 9 minutes on 450 until the crust is crispy and until the cheese is fully melted, and then that is it.